can feel that you love me. Maybe, baby, I'm not even know you with me.
Hello kings and chongs, hi kings and queens, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl, Lil China. If you're new here, my name is Adriana. If you're not new here, welcome back, kings and chongs. So, as y'all can tell by that thumbnail and by that title, I am doing a makeup tutorial with you guys as a brown skin chocolate habibti. So, make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. I didn't give you guys a time check during this, so as you can see by the overlay, I did this yesterday. I started at 2:18 or 2 something, as y'all can see by the overlay thing. So yeah, this is a brown skin girly tutorial. This is gonna be B-rolled for y'all. I already have pre-washed my face, so I just put on some vitamin C face serum, and I was letting that dry. The first step is gonna be my eyebrows. Yeah, so make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications, tell friends and family about Lil China, because it look like a tattoo here all life long. Forget the summer, because the summer coming up, but we doing this all life. Okay, I told y'all, once I got the new phone, I was putting my foot on the gas and I stopped, and as y'all can see, I've been consistently dropping videos. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications, tell friends and family about Lil China, tell them little like TD over here, cause yeah, all life long. Yeah, myself. Make sure y'all comment down below. Tell me any more videos that y'all want to see, because so far I've been giving y'all what I've been wanting to do. So far I've been thinking my content been consistent and true. You know, raw me, uncut, like my bio say, like my descriptions always say. Real raw, uncut me. Okay, even though I do be editing and cutting it up because it be too long. Who want an hour some video on makeup? Nobody. So yeah, let me stop talking. I'm just yapping. I'm just so happy that I'm proud of myself that I'm being so consistent with my work, you know. And I'm proud of y'all for tuning in and subscribing, because at first we was at 19 subscribers, now we at 29. So that means y'all liking what I'm doing, y'all liking my consistency. So I'm gonna continue to be consistent for y'all, chings and chongs, and y'all keep on being consistent with the subscription, with the family, growing the chings and chongs, the China family, more and more, the Habibti family, more and more. So let's get into the B-roll. I love y'all.
Maybe you should drive a Yukon, pick up another you call, in the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? When I stand with the roof gone, I pull up like Jimmy Neutron, we can help you get a move on. Oh, and I know you need to go slow, but we can go faster. Maybe the password. You know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Happy nice things. Slide from the other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get first instead. dead. I know it's gonna make you dead. What would I do? If I didn't love you, babe? What would I do? If I didn't love you, babe? What would I do? What would I didn't love you? What is the one I give you? You want? I thought what you want to show me love. Right around town to get diamonds. I know you like it when I tell you what you want. You can do what you do and what you want. I can tell your friends you make them work up. You like to go slow, but we can go faster. Let me the password. You know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Popping nice things. Any other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get smashed today. I know it's gonna make you dead. What would I do? If I didn't love you, babe? What would I do? If I didn't love you, babe? What would I do? Remember you used to drive your car, pick up on none of your call, in the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? We're standing with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. Looking up, you get a move on. Like you haul, and I know we like to go slow, but we can go faster. Let me the password. Side city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Popping nice things. Any other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get smashed instead. I know it's gonna make you dead. What would I do? If I didn't love you, babe? What would I do? If I didn't love you, babe? What would I do? What would I didn't love you? What is the one I give you? You want? I thought what you want to show me love. Right around town to get diamonds. I know you like it when I tell you what you want. You can do what you do and what you want. I can tell your friends you make them work up. You like to go slow, but we can go faster. Let me the password. You know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Popping nice things. Any other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get smashed today. I know it's gonna make you dead. What would I do? If I didn't love you, babe? What would I do? If I didn't love you, babe? What would I do?
DJ Ryan.
100 bases, she know it. Sending me paragraphs, I done heard it before, so I ignore it. I'm knowing she just mad for the moment, so I'll enjoy it. If I call her, tell her to come in, she jump like Jordan. Yes, tell me, do you love me like you say you do? Yes, tell me, can I do whatever I want to you? Yes, split inside her mouth, I got a little bit on her chest. I know you ain't mad, but do I love you? Yes, me. Baby, I'll be home by next week. If I give you my heart, don't fail me. And if you go fuck off, girl, tell me. Yeah, and I don't love you for sick. I bring you to my hood, shit we can ride in my Vic. I buy you diamonds, no inside this shit all VVS. And this shit crazy, cause I know that you just mine for the day. And this shit crazy, cause I know that this bitch lying on my face. She got a man, so I can never take her out on no date. I ain't just saying that, the nigga who been cheated on like baby, I done been that. And I know how it feels, so we can go ahead and end that. Yes, tell me do you love me like you say you do? Yes, tell me can I do whatever I want to you? Yes, spit inside her mouth, I got a little bit on her chest. I know you ain't mine, but do I love you? Yes, me. Baby, I'll be home by next week. If I give you my heart, don't fail.
3:28 a.m.
Girl, tell me. You know you bitch. You hurt cause you been hurt before. Guess you ain't learned your lesson. Guess you ain't getting the message. I guess it's better to hurt. Cause when you reckless with your heart, yeah, that shit definitely hurt. And when you sit inside the dark, you driving tears on your shirt. You crying private. You crying cause the pain that you causing, but ain't say sorry. And when somebody give you their heart, it ain't the borrower. You gotta respect it and protect it and well guard it. Pain and shit run deep, it don't get better by tomorrow. How is it his fault that every time y'all gotta argue? Y'all arguing cause you was still around the one I called you. Can show you real love, you come around me and I dog you. Yes, tell me do you love me like you say you do? Yes, tell me can I do whatever I want to you? Yes, spit inside her mouth, I got a little bit on her chest. I know you ain't mine, but do I love you? Yes, me. Baby, I'll be home by next week. If I give you my heart, don't fail me. And if you go fuck off, girl, tell me. Yeah, history be down when it's over. I hear you show me love, I'm only here for the moment. When you fucking me, I make you say my name when you moaning. Do you fuck with me, or do you fuck with how I be fucking you, girl, we grown in. Yes, tell me do you love me like you say you do? Yes, tell me can I do whatever I want to do? Yes, spit inside her mouth, I got a little bit on her chest. I know you ain't mine, but do I love you? Yes, me. Baby, I'll be home by next week. If I give you my heart, don't fail me. And if you go fuck off, girl, tell me. Off, girl, tell me. You know you bitch. You hurt cause you been hurt before. Guess you ain't learned your lesson. Guess you ain't getting the message. I guess it's better to hurt. Cause when you reckless with your heart, yeah, that shit definitely hurt. And when you sit inside the dark, you driving tears on your shirt. You crying private. You crying cause the pain that you causing, but ain't say sorry. And when somebody give you their heart, it ain't the borrower. You gotta respect it and protect it and well guard it. Pain and shit run deep, it don't get better by tomorrow. How is it his fault that every time y'all gotta argue? Y'all arguing cause you was still around the one I called you. Can show you real love, you come around me and I dog you. Yes, tell me do you love me like you say you do? Yes, tell me can I do whatever I want to do? Yes, spit inside her mouth, I got a little bit on her chest. I know you ain't mine, but do I love you? Yes, me. Baby, I'll be home by next week. If I give you my heart, don't fail me. And if you go fuck off, girl, tell me. Yeah, history be down when it's over. I hear you show me love, I'm only here for the moment. When you fucking me, I make you say my name when you moaning. Do you fuck with me, or do you fuck with how I be fucking you, girl, we grown in. Yes, tell me do you love me like you say you do? Yes, tell me can I do whatever I want to do? Yes, spit inside her mouth, I got a little bit on her chest. I know you ain't mine, but do I love you? Yes, me. Baby, I'll be home by next week. If I give you my heart, don't fail me. And if you go fuck off, girl, tell me.
Feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, down no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
By the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York to shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady?
doing what I want.
Get some me time.
Doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only more like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
Doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
Doing what you want.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. Sip in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
I really need somebody. Tell me you get somebody. I don't care about your body. Let the way you touch my body. Front of it, get body. I never tell nobody. All I want is you, boy. All I want is you. All I need is you, boy. All I need is you. It's just me and you, boy. It's just me and you. I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. Baby, tell me what you in the mood for. Tight shit, we should get a room for. Got me in the mirror getting cute for it. Lay back, let me show you what I do for it. Pull out the ballet in a new toy. Blow it back, now we kissing in the food court. You the type that I would've skipped school for. This shit I got you on my mood board. I wanna live in your skin. When I jump out, you jump in. I fit all this in my plans. Same way I fit you in my plans. Love the fact that we just friends. And I hate that we just friends. Round two, he want revenge. Over and over again and I really need somebody. Tell me you get somebody. I don't care about your body. Let the way you touch my body. Front of it, get body. I never tell nobody. All I want is you, boy. All I want is you. All I need is you, boy. All I need is you. It's just me and you, boy. It's just me and you. I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. Baby, tell me what you in the mood for. Tight shit, we should get a room for. Got me in the mirror getting cute for it. Lay back, let me show you what I do for it. Pull out the ballet in a new toy. Blow it back, now we kissing in the food court. You the type that I would've skipped school for. This shit I got you on my mood board. I wanna live in your skin. When I jump out, you jump in. I fit all this in my plans. Same way I fit you in my plans. Love the fact that we just friends. And I hate that we just friends. Round two, he want revenge. Over and over again and again. I really need somebody. Tell me you get somebody. I don't care about your body. Let the way you touch my body. Front of it, get body. I never tell nobody. All I want is you, boy. All I want is you. All I need is you, boy. All I need is you. It's just me and you, boy. It's just me and you. I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. Damn, sheesh, you make it so hard to be peaked. Got me wearing my heart on my sleeve. I be missing you soon as you leave. Damn, really missing you soon as you leave. Double texting that really ain't me. Double tap on that pick and delete. I got him bringing sand to the beach. He got me.
I get high, walk up to the mic and I just talk to it. I done experienced all type of different pain and I help you walk there. 15, I was trying to step on something, my mama saw me do it. Sipping lean, if I cut myself, I might leak purple fluid. I let bitches do me wrong in the past, whole time I should've knew it. I police get to asking me questions.